Hey, this is B with Caldero.com, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the mirror imaging problem using your iPhone front-facing camera during a Facebook Live. Hey, this is B with Caldero.com again. Thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the mirror imaging problem with your iPhone front-facing camera during a Facebook Live. You really do want to use your front-facing camera because Facebook Live is very interactive, right? So you want to be able to see the questions, the comments that your audience is typing up for you, and you want to be able to react to those. To fix the mirror imaging problem, you could use your back-facing camera, but you can't see the comments. So it kind of defeats the purpose of doing a Facebook Live. Now you want to fix the problem of the mirror image because you want people to be able to read what's behind you. And if you're using a whiteboard to teach something to your audience, you want to be able to have them read it without you having to read it for them. So let's go dive into the fixing the front-facing camera problem on Facebook Live.
Okay, so after launching Facebook Live on your iPhone, the image is reversed. You can't read what's behind me. My letters are all backwards, so hit the little wand on the bottom right. The filters sometimes automatically apply. Just click No Filter, the button on the far left, to eliminate those. And click on the wand again, and then the little tool will appear with the three options that you see here: vertical flip, horizontal flip, and brightness. Hit the vertical flip button. A drum roll, please.
How cool was that? I really enjoyed making this video for you. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel because every time I post a new video, you'll be one of the first ones to know that I did. And I'll be posting more how-to videos and how to grow your business online and how to do things online that just kind of frustrate us because we don't have the time to think about how to do it.